Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss Robbie Mckinley cause of death. How did Robbie Mckinley die? Robbie Mckinley skater dead. So for more to the news, it is my request to subscribe my channel by pressing bell icon. Robbie Mckinley death, obituary, what happened to Robbie Mckinley? Skateboarding. The terrible news that legendary skateboarder Robbie Mckinley, a founding member of Grand King skate team, have passed away at the age of just 43, has shocked the skating world. Everyone is now uh, spectacle and hoping that this news is false, but nature cannot restore what has been lost. More information about the tragic story is still emerging. Uh, our condolences go to the family members, co-workers, skaters, his organization. May his soul rest in peace. Thanks for watching. Bye.